Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shanna, and today I will be doing a makeover on his face. But don't worry, I'm not going to make him look pretty, but I'm going to make him look handsome. So without further ado, let's get into the makeup. Hey guys, so starting off with his bare face, I'm using the simple cleansing wipes just to make sure there's no dirt on his skin. Then for primer, I'm going to be using the Nivea Shave Balm, the product actually owned by my friend Nana, so shout out to her. So I'm applying it all over his face. I was trying my best to apply as many bases I can to reduce his blemishes and acne spot from showing. So I used the Maybelline Baby Skin Port Razor, which you'll see a lot in my video. Moving on, I will be using the Stila palette to neutralize the color of his acne spot and some redness on his face. So this actually helps if you do not want to apply too many foundation or concealer on top. For foundation, I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Sorry if it's too bright, I didn't realize until I looked back at this video. Anyways, I'm so glad that this foundation suits him. I was so frustrated because my camera can't focus on the concealer, but no worries because all of the products I'm using in this video will be listed down below, so check it out, okay? Then I spray his face using a spray mist and blend it to remove excess product. To set the face, I'm using the Maybelline for the third time in this video. I'm just dabbing the powder onto his face using a big brush, then setting his under eyes using a smaller brush. Since his brows are actually pretty good, I'm trying to make it look as natural as possible. I'm firstly going to clean up his bottom brows using a concealer. So I noticed that his brow needs some trimming, so I did cut just a little bit of his front brow hairs. Then I will be filling in the sparse area that he have using a brow pomade. Next, I'm going to contour his face just a little bit. But yeah, I'm contouring his cheeks, jawline, and nose for that defined look. And I also shade his lid using the same bronzer as a transition shade. And then I also put some Vaseline to moisturize his lips. Okay, moving on to eyeshadow, I will be using the Sweet Peach palette and taking the Charm I'm Sure shade and applying it only on his lid and bring it to the lower lash line. So I will be back with the eyeshadow and apply some blush. I'm using a subtle pink to add some color back to his cheeks. Okay, back to the eyes. Since it was too plain, I'll be adding more warmth to his lids. And I took the shade called Puree, if I'm not mistaken, and blending it to the crease. Next, I will be sharpening up his contour. Last but not least, I'm reaching a subtle highlighter, which I found on my Tarte Blush palette. And yeah, oh, just to let you know, I did actually spray a setting spray on his face using my aloe vera spray, but I forgot to film it. So yeah guys, that completes the look. Hey guys, that completes the look. This is the final look. Also, a disclaimer, I'm not like a pro makeup, especially for boys or men. We've been friends for like how many years?
4 years.
4 years already, and still counting. This is like probably my first collaboration with someone. He has Instagram, right? Yeah. social media will be linked down below if you guys want to check him out. Okay guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye! Supers! Ayam kau!
Halo guys.
Udah jago gue.
Jangan Pak.
Wih, pembuat gelap-gelap nih.
Hello. My name is P-O-J-A-N Bojan. Sila, I know a bit about makeup. Bonus way.
The foot girl.
Pas. Stop.
Nasib soy na yun. Tingnan mo na kami jatuh. 2, 3. 3. Wait.
Baru start.
Okay.
1, 2, action.
Hey guys.
Hello kalian.
Action.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shanna, and
Me Shanna.
Kucing. Selampau. Aku nih buat rambut kamu. Wih budak. Because why? Hey guys, thank you for watching. Wih, lama sudah tadi.
Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic, wear that so I don't